Okay, hello. Uh, in today's session, we will learn and discuss about the logic development again. So for that, come to the drives, create a new folder, day 7, day 7. Now, open your LabVIEW. Today we will try to build some logic and try to learn some concept. Okay. So now, open the LabVIEW. When you will open the LabVIEW, launch your LabVIEW, so you will get this getting started window here. Using this getting started window, you can easily enter inside the LabVIEW. So now, today I will show you how can you create a project. Today I will show you how can you create a project. So for that, come into the file. You can see here there is create project option is here. Now, open existing and create project. You can click here create projects. Either you can come into the file and you can click on the create project. So what is the project? Project is a collection of executable file, non-executable file, VIs, sub-VIs, custom control, okay, and other identities like extensions, okay, directories. Now, when you will click the create project, so you will get this blank project window. So you will get this create project window. In this create project window, you can see here there is one finish button, and already the blank project has been selected. Click the blank project, click the blank project and press the finish button. When you will press this finish button, so it will take few seconds and you will get a project explorer window. Now you can see there is a project explorer window is here. In this project explorer window, you can see here in this project explorer window we are getting the project untitled project 1. So what is the project explorer? Project explorer, using the project explorer window, you can manage your project. And what is the project? Project is a collection of executable file, non-executable file, extensions, custom control, VIs, sub VIs, other identities. And you can control and you can you can control the all the entities of the particular project using the project explorer window. So for that, now try to save it. When you will try to save, so now it's targeting, it will target anywhere based on your LabVIEW's memory. My software has remember we had yesterday we had saved all the VIs inside the day 6. Today we have to save our program inside the day 7. So inside the day 7 I am going to create one more folder. So that's name FIRST first PROJECT first project. Inside the first project I am going to create, I am going to change my name FIRST first project. When you will create a project, so at that time the extension will be .lvproj. The extension will be .lvproj. .lvproj. Now press the hit the OK button. .lvproj. Now you can see here the project first project .lvproj. Okay, come into the your computer, your disk, and try to check. Now inside the day 7, we had created one first project folder. Inside the first project, you can see the first project LabVIEW Proj, the first project LVPS, and LIs. These are the supporting documents, okay, and this is our projects. Now right click on the project, okay. Before that, let's discuss about the project. Now my project name is first project and extension is LVPros LabVIEW project, and this project we had created on the targeted computer. So the target hardware is my computer. To design this project we need a target hardware, and the target hardware is my computer. because here I am not okay. There dependency are nothing. There's not okay. Dependency are nothing. So you can see here we are not getting anything here. Everything is empty. Later we'll see how we can utilize all these things. Now it is my first project, my computer dependencies. This project has been made. Now here I am going to create a new VI. New VI. VI is stand for VI is a short form of virtual instruments. Using this virtual instruments, we can create using this virtual instruments, we can write our program. We can develop our algorithm. Open the now. I don't know what okay which VI you are getting. Here I am getting the Untitled 6. Untitled 6 is the name of this VI. Now the scenario has been changed. Now you can see Untitled 6 front panel on first project LV Pro and location and target is my computer. Same Untitled 6 VI. If I will close the front panel, if I will close this VI, so we will lost the VI. We will lost the V. Okay, and we cannot retrieve. But if you will create a normal VI here and you will save the VI, you will save the VI with the name of main VI, main VI. Now if you will close this main VI, you will not, okay, it will not lost. You can easily retrieve it. Okay, now it's my project getting started Windows. Press Ctrl T. So it is my first project inside the it is a first VI inside my project explorer window. Getting my point, sir? Suppose you have one child and he wants to you want to train him. You want to train him for the basic addition. You want to train him for the basic addition. Addition of two numbers A and there is a B. And also you want to give them this A plus B concept. A plus B. But please remember your time of learning. You cannot teach your student, you cannot teach your child direct the addition. Always we need something where he can count and he can add the both number. Like what we do when we write 4, so for that we create 1 2 3 or we create 1 2 sorry 4, so we create 4 star or 4 circle or 4 bar for the particular numbers. And I'm going to explain. Wait a second. Suppose there is one in slice array. I'm taking this in slice array. Wait a second only. Here I'm taking right click, taking a boolean true constant. True constant. Now right click, take a square LED, increase the size, change this to the array. Change into the array. Run. Now you can see here because the number of 0. So we are getting the 0. We are getting the 0. Sorry. Here 0 bar. Now 1, so we will get 1, 2, so we will get 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Right? Suppose we have the same setup twice. We have the same setup. A and it is a B. It's for A and it's for B. Getting my point? Let's try to add. Let's try to add. So in this way, you can. It will help you to teach or it will help your student, or it will help you to teach the addition to your child. It's not a very big and uh, very beautiful program. It is just a logic which we can easily build. Now, same this function we need same function here. Clear? Create indicator a plus b, a plus b. 18. Now you can teach your student, your child, easily the basic addition. If he will put 4, so it will glow 4 LED, and 2, so second one is 2. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2. So total addition of 1, 4 and 2 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Clear? Why I am using this logic? I will we will use this logic again. We will upgrade this logic. Now please tell me which portion or what concept we are here using 3 times. We are using this concept 3 times. We are using this concept 3 times. Here, here, and here. And it's creating a big mess to understand the particular logic. It's creating a big mess to understand, or it's creating a big mess to uh, control the particular logic. Why? Because same logic we are using 3 times. So there is any way to sort out this problem? We are repeating one logic 3 times. Yeah, sub vi. Can we convert this function as a sub vi? Let's try. So I am going to select this one. I am going to select this portion. Look at here. I'm going to select this portion by my cursor, by my operating tools. When I will touch it, positioning tool. Just a second, sir. Sorry for this mess. Okay, so now you can see here we are here. Yes, Suchitra ma'am. Okay, now so this portion, look at here. I am going to select this portion, and you can come after selecting, and you can click on this create sub vi. When you will click, again I'm going to show you. Don't save. You have to come into the edit, and you have to click on the create sub vi. Based on that, it will convert. You can convert it. Oh, sorry, you can create a sub vi. Sub vi is a program subroutine methodology of your text-based programming language. In the text-based programming language, we follow program subroutine. Okay, where we can define, declare, and call our sub vi as a sorry, we can define, declare, and call our program, okay, as a subprogram. So here we are doing same. Here we are going earlier we had written the program. Now I am going to convert it into the sub vi, and after, yeah. So in text-based programming language, we have the program subroutine where we write a call and we declare in the library, okay, and headers, and we can also call the program. Same thing here. So now when you will convert a sub vi, so you will get this kind of a icon. Now I am going to double click and open, and when you will open this icon, so you will get your program. Now you can see your program is present inside here. Here your program is available. Now you can see this is your main sub vi. It is present inside this program. Okay, now here I'm going to save this program. I'm going to save this program. Save as. When I will try to save this program, so here it's calling me. So here it's giving me untitled 9 sub vi. So in place of untitled 9 sub vi, I can give the name. And what name I can give here? Number to LED. Okay. Number to LED sub vi I had given. Now, can I replace all the program? Look at here. Can I replace all this logic here? Control B. How can I replace? This two-way. Control B. Right click on your block diagram. Come here and you can click on the select a VI. By selecting this VI, you okay, when you will click in the select a VI, it will direct you anywhere of your computer, but you have to find out that particular location where you had saved your VI. So, but in my case, my software is able to recall the particular location. That's why I can easily able to find my sub vi. Now take the sub vi and place here. Again right click, scroll down, take sub vi and place here. And you can also copy and paste the sub vi. Make a connection like this. Okay, connection first. Make a connection like this. Sorry, uh, make a connection like this. Okay, and make a connection like this. Now you can see here. We can easily recall, or we can usually reuse our code. So using this code reusing functionality, you can reduce this memory, okay, the size of the program, and you can easily able to track and debug, because now your system will work properly. In place of this, if I will give 5, now you can get. So it is my sub vi, creation of sub vi. If you want, so you can label it. So it is the easiest way to convert your program into the another program. Here I am going to save as. Now if I will close this, now you can see in this, now you can see in this project I have one main VI and I have one another sub VI. Today onwards, every day we'll try to write few program using the project. Okay, double click and okay, now right click and create a new VI. Press Ctrl T. Hmm. Today I will show you how can you create two-dimension array. Yesterday I explained how can you create a 1D array. So for that you had taken the array function, array blocks, and inside the array blocks you have to put a control. Using this way you can create a one-dimension array, right? There is one more way. Right click, take a controller and convert it into the array. So also you will able to create one more one-dimension array. Now how can you create a two-dimension array? To create a two-dimension array, you have to click here. You have to click on the indexing. You have to click on the indexing and then you have to come here. You have to click on the indexing and you have to click add a dimension. Add a dimension. Using this way, you can convert your one dimension to the two-dimension array. You can convert your one dimension to the two-dimension array. Now you can see here easily you can put some value inside this one. Here I'm going to write two. Okay, one, two, 113. Sorry, yes, 113, 5, 5, 3, 1, and 1. Suppose I have written this value here. I can easily write this value 1, 2, 3, sorry, 3, 4, 5, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 4, 2, 1, okay, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, okay, just a second, 5, 1, and 6, 1. Now you can see here, as earlier I told you, this is a this is this one is the array cell, open array cell, and this one is the element. By placing this element inside the array, we can create a array. It is a one dimension unconfigured one dimension array cell. When you will put a numeric, so it will convert automatically as a numeric array. So what is it? It is an index. You can increase the index. By increasing the index, you can increase the dimension size. One index value, if you will get one index, so that is one dimension, two dimension, three dimension, four dimension. Okay, so one and two dimension. It is a one dimension array. That's why we have the one indexing, and start index is 0. So here this portion, this dark portion of this array, the dark portion of this one dimension array is configured and this one is unconfigured. Here also this dark portion are the configured and other light portion are unconfigured. Clear? So now what will be the size of this array? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The size of this array is 8, but the start index value will 0 and highest index will be the 7. What will be the size of this array? So whenever we talk about the size of array, when of two-dimension array, so first we call the row. So how many row? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 row and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 column. So the size of array will be 4 cross 5. 4 cross 5. Okay, and what will be the lowest index? Then the lowest index value here, for this one the lowest index value will be the 0 cross 0. Lowest index value 0 cross 0. Okay, 0. Lowest index value is the 0. 0, sorry, 0 cross 0. And highest index is, okay, let's count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the highest indexing for the 64 is 3 cross 4. So the index, let's try to count. Okay, count. Try here. Take a array size and place. Great, sir. So automatically it will be a array size will be the 8. And for this one, look at here. For this one, we need one dimension array. Why? Because we have two different value. Why we are getting the array size of this one is a array, is a separate array. Why we are getting the array size for the 2D array is also array? Because we cannot write two different numbers in a one indicator at the same time. We need two. So that one is 4 cross 5 and other one. Now there is very beautiful things which I want to tell you. If you will right click here and you will change to the, what is the function here? Change to constant. When you will right click and you will change to the constant, so also you will get all the element here. I am going to look at here. Also I can convert it and I can convert it, change to constant. Look at here. I'm also going to change it. Clear? We can easily convert our control to the constant. Now what is the other way to represent a array? What is the other way to represent a numeric data of numeric array? What is the array? Array is the collection of same kind of data type. And what is the other way to represent the data of numeric array? Look at here. When you will right click on the front panel, always you will get a control palette. In the control palette, first column, second number is the waveform graph. In the waveform graph, you will get the waveform chart and waveform graph. Let's take a waveform graph and place here. When you will take a waveform graph and you will place here, and let's try to connect. Here I am going to connect. Using the waveform graph, you can easily display the data of a one dimension array like this. -1, -1. Now you can easily display your data. -1. Free. Clear? And suppose right click, come here. You can take a waveform graph here and you can take a waveform graph here and you can place. If what you will get if you will connect a two-dimension array. So a two-dimension array when you will connect, so you will get a proper signal. Now you can see here in this case I had connected the four one dimension array, sorry, sorry. Now you can see here in my 2D array, there are there are four rows. That's why we are getting the four signal here. Each signals are representing the one row. Okay, you can look at here the plot. If you will increase the plot here like this, so the plot number 0, plot number first is representing my this number. Look at here, this one. Plot number 2, plot number 2 is showing this one 11 23, sorry 22 33 44, and this one 11 uh okay, sorry, this one red one, red one, sorry, plot number 2 is showing 11 22, yeah, red one, and plot number 3 is my green one, and plot number 4 is my this blue. You can see it is starting from 20. Sorry, thank you sir. Now it is a now it's a way. Okay, so these are the one. Okay, and now here I'm going to save this program. Save as, save 2D. Okay, 2D array array 2D array. Here I'm going to save as, using save as, continue 2D array manipulation. Okay, manipulation. Okay, sorry for about this my spelling. Now I'm going to delete this portion only. So right now we have two one dimension array. Sorry, two different kind of array. This array is one dimension array. It is two dimension array. Yesterday I explained one function. The function is index array function. When you will take this index array function and you will try to connect this index array function, so using this index array function, you can easily able to break down your particular data, from the given index value from the particular location. So what is the meaning of index? Index represents the location. Index represents the location in the array. Index represents the location in the array. Now here element, the data is type of element. Okay, run the program. Now you can see here in the zeroth location, the data, the element, the value 1 is present in the location 1. Same value, location 2, 3, location 4, sorry, yes, location 4, 5, in 5, location number 4th, again 8, because we have the 8 element, and index is start for the 0, and it will go till 7. Okay, so when you will put it 8, so you will get the element value 0. Easily you can see here my index array elements behavior. You can see my index array elements has one input, only one input. Okay, only one input as a for the data and one input for the indexing we are getting. But अगर मैं एक बार इसको दूसरा लेता हूँ, if I will take one more function here, one more index array function, let's take one more index array functions and insert here. So when you will take one more index array function and you will try to insert, look at here, there is two input. One is for the array and one is for the indexing. Let's try to connect. When you will connect this array with a 2D array, automatically you will get two one dimension array. Automatically it will increase the index. Now one is the index for row and one is the index for column. One is the index for row and one is the index for column. Now here I am going to select the index for row only indicator, index for row. So it will give, sorry, here I am going to select a index for row, create control. Now you can see here, now you can see here, it's creating one dimension array for us. It's creating one dimension array for us. Okay, based on my index value, it will give me the value of row. Look at here, I am going to run the program. Now my index value is 0, so this first row, the index value is common. Why? 0 cross 0, 0 cross 1, 0 cross 2, 0 cross 3, 0 cross 4. Now when I will change it 1, so I am getting this row, 1 cross 1, 1 cross 2, 1 cross 3, 1 cross 4, 1 cross 5. Wrong. 1 cross 0, 1 cross 1, 1 cross 2, 1 cross 3, 1 cross 4. If I will change it to, so here I am getting, okay, what, 2 cross 0, 2 cross 1, 2 cross 2, 2 cross 3, 2 cross 4. So for this row 3 is common. Okay, now again take a index array function, open the label, make a connection with a 2D array. Now you can, here you will again get the two control, create a controls. So now it is disable indexing for column. Now it is disable indexing for column. Create indicator. Now you will get a one more subarray, and this subarray will represent the column value. Run the program. Now the zeroth number column, we have only 4 element, 1 1 1 1 1 1 2 and 2 1. Look at here. For the column number, in the column number 1, we are getting this value because it is a fixed for this column. 1 is the fixed for this column. First column, zeroth column, first column, second column, third column, fourth column. Now right click, come here and take one more time index array functions and place here. Now if I will take both, create control for index row and create indicator for column. Sorry, create control again for this column. Create control for the column. Okay, in that case it will give me the element, single element. Now suppose my index and row both are the 0, so 0 cross 0 I am getting 1. Index value is 3. If index value is 3, so I am getting 21. 3 cross 0, 21. 3 cross 3, 3 cross 3, 51. 3 cross 4, 61. 0 cross 4 possible? Yes. 0 cross 4, 5. So we can easily target both the elements by using this. So it is a common behavior of a index array index functions. We have the other functions here which you can spend your time, and you can do the replace array, insert into the array, delete from array, split array, rotate array, and other functions you can practice based on your requirement. Okay, now here I am going to create, right click, create, right click here in this project, right click, sorry, in this project, right click. We are getting anything new? No. right click in this my computer, new virtual folder. In our computer, in our hard disks here, we can create a real folder. But here we can create a virtual folder. I'm going to change the name. Okay, array. So in this project, I have one segment where okay, I had worked on the array. So I'm inserting all my function inside this array. Okay, but today I had created one program related to the 2D array. Where that program? Let's see, two-dimension array. Now you can see here this two-dimension array is the not a part of my. Now you can see here my this two-dimension array is the not a part of this project. So how can we track and add that VI into our project? So for that you have to right click on the project and new. Okay, can we new target and device, new folders, new? No. Can we add? Okay, in my computer, add add files. Come to the location 2D array and you can add it. Now you can see here this 2D array is a part of my this program. Save it. Now here I am going to create one more virtual folder. Okay, virtual folder, string, string, string. Using this string, whatever the program, now we will work. Okay, and we will work on the string related program. So for that, here I am creating I had created one virtual folder. It is not a real folder. This folder will not present on your computer. This folder will only present on this projects. That's why it's a virtual folder. Right click, let's save it. Right click here, create a new vi. Okay, create a new vi. Here inside a new vi, right click, come into the block diagram. Okay, right click, come into the string. There is a very wonderful program in the string, and the string program name is format date and time. Format date and time program. Now right click in the format date and time program and come here. Right click format date and time program and come here. This is the format date and time program. When you will press Ctrl H and you will click, so it will return you the date and time based on your format. From a long time, I forget how it will give me the data. So right click, create a just indicator. Create an indicator here. Run. Now you can see here, it is providing me the current date and time, today's date and time. Clear? Suppose here I am going to copy and paste again date and time. How can I take this date and time? Again, I'm going to show you. Right click, come to the string, format date and time, place here. Create an indicator. Suppose here, now you can see timestamp. Timestamp is here. Timestamp is here. Right? Now, right click, come into the numeric. In this numeric, timestamp control is here. In right click on the front panel, come into the numeric. This timestamp control is here. Take the timestamp control and place it and try to make a connection. Now, whatever the time and date you will select, okay, you can display, it will display that time. Now, again, I am going to use same time and date program. Now, here, create indicator. In future, I will give you one task where you have to design a analog clock. Digital clock you can easily design. That is only 1 second job to create a digital clock. But analog clock, development of analog clock. Now, here, format into string, create constant. Sorry, create constant, format into string. Look at here. Okay, percent D. Look at here. Percent D, percent B, percent Y space, percent H, percent M, and percent S. In future, it will work. It will help us to create a data logger. Now run. Now you can see here. We are getting April. This percent D is not working here. Can I write? Okay. Can I write a small d? Now you can see 30 April 2024. If you want, so in place of this, you can put this one slash, and also if you want, so you can put the slash. 30 April. Now, what will happen if I will put here small d, small b, small y? Now you can see here we are getting only okay APR and 24 using the small. So there are many possible way where you can control your any program. It will be it's completely depends on you how much how you know about the algorithm and how you are prepared about your programming. How much you are prepared about your programming. Okay. So now what is the function name? The function name is format date and time. Great. Format date and time. When I will close it, now you can see here we are getting this inside the string. Right click, create a new VI again. Come here. Press Ctrl T. Hmm. I think I think all of you are working on the industry and academia. So many time you have to write. Many time you have to write some script. Write some script like users name. Okay. Users name. Date of birth. Location. Age. Right. Age. It's not like a form. That is a different thing. That is a cluster concept. I'm going to write a script. Okay. Age. Username. Age. Okay. Measurement type. A sensor name. Sensor name. Sensor name. Okay. Sensor name. Sampling rate. Sampling rate. Let's change it. Let's remove age from this location. And let's, okay, sensor name, sampling rate, location. Okay, active status, active status, sensors active status. Later I will show you something. Let's take something else for the active status. Yeah, let's take a square LED. Increase the size. Calibration. Okay, not calibration. Uh, what I can take, just a second. Yeah. Uh, what can I take? Okay, so let's take a calibration. Okay, the calibrated. Okay, calibration is also calibration. Now we have okay, and it is a indicator type. Let's convert it to the control type. Suppose we have this kind of the parameters which we want to use, which we want to display, which we want to use. We have to write, and there is one theory. What is the theory? Let's take a theory. Okay, in NI LabVIEW Academy, Mr. slash Miss. Okay, Miss percent S DOB percent S. Okay, at percent S has taken the data from sensor percent S. Okay, uh, okay. In place of, let's take a normal date, normal date. Change it here. Okay, date of birth. I am going to remove it. Okay, on date percent S with sampling rate with sampling rate percent F percent dot 3 F percent dot 3 F. Okay, with uh, and calibration STAT status STAT status was percent S. Clear, sir? Now this one is my theory. I think you are able to read this particular theory. Okay. Now right click, come into the string, take a format into string. format into string. Here I am putting this string as an initial string. Okay, let's try to connect. Name, location, sensor name. Now you can see here, but here I cannot connect, but here I cannot connect my date and time. So I need a particular function, format date and time function here. Sorry, format date and time functions. Let's make a connection. Sampling rate, sorry, just a second. Sampling rate, true and false. Create an indicator. Control A, sorry, Control A, Control U, Control T. This one is my program. And let's try to run. So now here I am going to set username NITES PRADHN Pradhan, location Delhi, sensor name STRAI strain, module, sampling rate 51K, date and time set up to today's time. Okay, calibration status was true. Now you can generate this script easily. You can use these functions during your data logging. You can use these functions every day to log your system. You can design this kind of the setup for the to control the various kind of the data. What else you can do here? Okay, what else you can do here? Look at here. I'm going to show you. Here I can take normal concepts. I can take a select functions. I can put the select function here. I can take a string constant and here I can place successfully done. Successfully done. I can give some space also. Successfully done. Either I can take one more and I can put here ignored. Getting my point, sir? Ignored. Now can I connect it? Can I run? Yeah, successfully done. Either Anybody? Any want to ask any question? Okay, save. Just a second. How can I save? Control. Okay. So what is the name of this function? Format into string. Format into string. Control A, Control U. Sorry. Control A, Control U. Format into string. Let's save the program. Format into string function. If you have remember your that program, the text to voice, text to speech program, so you can call that text to speech function here, and that will be read aloud your complete text. I know it is not a part of a way around a high level programming, but many times this small function will help you to reach or to break down, okay, or to reach your goal or to break down your algorithm. But here I am facing one very serious issue. But here I am facing a serious issue. Save as cluster. 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 Now the cluster. Now the cluster is a programming ability. The cluster is a programming ability where we can collect different kind of data type. Few minutes ago, Praveen sir said it's kind of form. Yes, collect using cluster. We can create this kind of the form. Here, I am going to show you the cluster effect of the cluster. Here, I am going to show you the cluster. So how can you create a cluster? Right click. You can come into the form, and cluster is the bundle of different kind of data type. Let's take name inside here. Name. Let's take a location, second number. Sensor name, date, sampling rate, and then calibration. Now you can see all these things are present inside this one. So, and I can easily manage them. I can easily manage all of them. So cluster is a bundle of different kind of data types. Cluster is a bundle, it is a group of a different kind of data types. Now, when we had bundled this different kind of data types, so now we need a function which can unbundle. Now we need a function which can help us to unbundle this all these data types. So there you have to right click on the block diagram. Yeah, okay. At F is a floating point. By default, programming languages are designed by default. Sorry, the way they have designed the programming language, if you will not put any value before this dot f, so f is a percentage floating, and it will give you the six digit. It will give you the six-digit value, decimal value. Okay, you can read the six-digit decimal value, and if you will give any input, if you will give any input, if you will give any input, okay, any sorry, if you will give any value like dot 3, dot 2, dot 1, okay, dot 4, 5, so that will limit that floating value till that decimal. I will show you after solving this problem, because now program will not execute. Let's come here. Now right click and come into the cluster. Right click, come into the cluster, and in the cluster there is a unbundle by name, bundle, unbundle, and bundle function are here. Already my cluster has been made by the bundle. My cluster has been made by the bundle. Okay, bundle. So I need unbundle function, unbundle by name. Let's take the unbundle by name function and place here. Click, make a connection. Now username. Make a connection. First one is the username. Drag it. Location. Second one is the location. Sensor name. Third one is the sensor name. Date and time. Connect here. Sampling rate. Connect here. Calibration. Now you can see it is a very easy to organize your large number of controls. Using the cluster, you can easily organize your large number of controls and large number of indicators. So it is the work of clusters. But your boss told you, "Ki I need all the data. I need all the data in uppercase, all the name in uppercase, no matters how and what user is entering." So for that, let's come here. Take a uppercase functions. Place here. Sorry, before that, let's okay, okay, just a second. Right click, come here. Take a bundle by name function. Bundle by name functions. Place here. Make a connection with this bundle by name. It is unbundle. We are breaking down this cluster into the individual elements. Now we are going to bundle, but we need the name, and we don't know how customer has given the name. That's why I am synchronizing both the elements from in the okay, synchronizing both the elements. Right click, come here, take a uppercase, make a connection like this, and put it connect with the user's name. Clear? Drag it. Take a right click, take it to the uppercase. Delhi. Take uppercase. Sensor name. Take uppercase. Date, change it. Sampling date, calibration, nothing is there. Okay, we need to no need to change. Just make a connection like this. And now sampling rate. Create indicators. Control A, Control U. Okay, you that will more tough for you to understand. Come into the front panel, run the program. Okay, I think the use of cluster I had explained properly. In future we'll do more program to try to understand the concept about the clusters. We'll use the cluster many times. Now right click a new vi. Okay, I had explained many things about this array. I had covered many things about the two functions. These two functions will do later. I had explained many things about this program. Okay, this logics. We have also seen these functionalities. We have worked on this. Okay, and also we have seen some this some functions from here. Also we have seen okay, we had tried to discuss about this one, and we didn't able to find the proper solution about my that particular problem, the count of the numbers, decimal numbers. Also we have seen some logic of this. Tomorrow we'll work on the we'll work on the for loop. Tomorrow we'll work on the for loop. Okay, so thank you for joining me, thank you for listening me. Okay, thank you all of you.